Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a video about the ABH Alyssa Edwards palette and the ABH Riviera palette. So when I first saw the Alyssa Edwards palette, I thought, that looks quite similar to the Riviera palette. The purples, the pinks and a few browns and neutrals, I thought that looks quite similar. Obviously the Alyssa palette has more colours and is a collaboration with Alyssa Edwards, but I just kind of wanted to compare them. I don't know if this is a good video idea or not. I just had a thought about it and I was like, do you know what? It'd be interesting to see how similar they are. So the top palette is the Riviera palette and the bottom palette is the Alyssa Edwards palette. So they probably don't look that similar right now, but if you think about it, the pink, the purple, this kind of warm nude shade, the shimmer here, and then the brown there, they look quite similar. So I'm gonna do a few swatches and see how actually similar they are. I'm gonna go in with Bahamas from Riviera and Texas Made from Alyssa. This is Riviera and this is Alyssa. The Alyssa one is a little bit darker and this one's more pink. This one's more like darker ready toned and this one's more like brighter pink. So now I'm going to go in with Cans from Riviera and Believe from the Alyssa Edwards. I can see that these two purples are different, but they are still two purples. So the Alyssa one is a bright purple and then the Riviera one is a more muted purple. Palm from the Riviera palette and Back Rolls from the Alyssa palette. So the Riviera one is more warm toned, only slightly though. So now I'm going to go in with Coastline from the Riviera palette and the Supreme from the Alyssa palette. These look the most similar, but I feel like out of the nude shades, but I feel like this one is definitely more orange, which is the Alyssa one. The white, I feel like they're both the same. There is only one shimmer shade that I think is similar. It's the shade Yacht from the Riviera palette and Inspire from the Alyssa palette. Oh no, they're very different. The Alyssa one is much brighter. I'm going to swatch the two whites. So Sails from the Riviera palette and Headliner from the Alyssa palette. Oh, they do feel different, you know. The Riviera palette feels a bit more creamy on that white. Riviera, Alyssa. But it's mostly the mattes that are similar because there are only 3 shimmers in the Alyssa palette and there are 6 in the Riviera palette. So let's have a little gore, shall we? I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills primer on both sides just to give it a fair test. What I'm going to do is either use the same brush but a different one, 2 brushes that are the same, or I'm going to use one brush and then wipe it off with instant brush cleaner and then use the other shade. So I'm going to go in with Palm first, which is from the Riviera palette. Okay, I'm going to go in with Riviera on this side, Alyssa on this side. So this is Riviera and the shade Palm. Now going in with Back Rolls from the Alyssa palette and doing the same thing. So I'm now going to take this brush from the Jaclyn Hill Morphe brush set, which is the JH42 brush, and I'm going to take the purples from the palette, so Cans from the Riviera palette, and I'm packing this a little bit on and a little bit above that brown shade. And now Believe from the Alyssa Edwards palette. I feel like this purple is definitely more blue and this one's more like pinky. I feel like on this side the purple is darker than the brown, but then on this side the brown is darker than the purple. So, you know what? I'm actually going to take these shades right onto the lid and just do like a full-blown thing, and then I'm going to do something a little bit different in a minute. Go in with the browns. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with the M515 brush from Morphe and I'm going to take the pink shades. So Bahamas from the Riviera palette. And now going in with Texas Made from the Alyssa palette. Just blending out those edges with that same brush and a tiny bit of the product. with another M515 from Morphe, and I'm going to go back in with the purples to blend out them with the pink. So now I think I'm going to go in with the like orangey, peachy, really light nude shade. So Coastline from Riviera and Supreme from Alyssa. I'm just going to use a clean M515 from Morphe and just blend out that pink with this shade. So I just took a bit of the eye primer on the back of my hand, and I'm just taking the liner brush and I'm just trying to do a kind of reverse ombre winged liner. My eyes are very different, so it will look weird, but I'm going to try and do it. So I'm going to go in with the brown on the outer part. Then I'm going to use purple. Then into the pink. The Supreme from the Alyssa palette. And then I'm just going to use the white on the inner part of the liner. Okay, so I've been gone for a little while. I did the other eyeliner, and I also added some glitter liner to the top of the liner because it was like not showing up here because of the browns next to the browns, you know what I mean? Yeah, and I've also done my base and everything. I'm now going to do my lower lash line and show you. Probably just going to use purple and then pink, possibly. Basically, those applied pretty much the same. I feel like the Alyssa Edwards one is brighter. You might be able to see that, but I feel like the pink and the purple is brighter, and then obviously you have the blue and the yellow in the palette, so it is a brighter palette as such. The shade Inspire on my inner corner from the Alyssa palette. I love that shade, that's so pretty. And then I'm gonna mix the shades Yacht and Inheritance from the Riviera palette and put them on this side. See, they're very different. This one is more gold. I'm gonna put on some lashes, do my lips, and then come back and tell you my full opinion and yeah, everything like that. So for my lashes, I used the Bold Face Make It Count lashes, and for my lipstick, I used the Morphe Honeymoon lip liner and the new Huda Beauty matte lipstick in the shade Anniversary. The first time I've actually used these lipsticks. So, okay, my overall verdict is that these shades are very similar, but there is a big but. So I feel like the Alyssa palette is brighter, just overall brighter. The shades that I've used are brighter than these ones, and then obviously also this has a blue, a yellow, and some more purpley shades, a shimmer purple, a shimmer pink, and a black as well as a white. Whereas this palette, it has the two bright shades, which are the pink and the purple, then some more nudie shades. It does have a white, does have the brown, and then it has a few different pops of colour for the shimmers, but also some neutral ones. This one has 6 shimmers and 8 mattes, whereas Alyssa's one has 3 shimmers and 11 mattes. Depends if you prefer mattes or shimmers. Also, if you prefer to have a blue and a yellow, or like a shimmery yellowy gold and a shimmery bluey kind of colour and more neutral shades. I feel like honestly I'd suggest getting the Alyssa palette more, just because I feel like there's more variations of shades. I don't know, like it depends what you're feeling, like, oh, it's this way around, but it depends what you're feeling. I'm glad I have both because there's different shades in each that I would like. So like the blue and the yellow in the Alyssa palette, and then the shimmers in the Riviera palette. Obviously also it's great to support Alyssa. I think, you know, she's done really well on this palette and it's beautiful and I really like her. So if you like drag queens and you like Alyssa, I think this is a really good idea as well. This isn't like a video to bash ABH because I absolutely love them, and I think both of these palettes are different in their own ways. Obviously they're not all the same and they're not exactly the same. This eye look hasn't turned out the exact same, but it's just to show you the difference between the shades, to help you decide if you can't decide which one to buy, or you know, which one you would rather have, if you can only buy one, or if you need both, you know what I mean? So if you only wanted the pink and purple shade, you didn't want the blue, you didn't want the yellow, then get the Riviera palette. But if you want the blue and the yellow, then get the Alyssa palette. I'd probably pick the Alyssa palette over the Riviera palette. I do love the Riviera palette and I think it's beautiful, especially the packaging and the bright shades inside, the brighter shimmers. But the Alyssa palette, I prefer the packaging because it won't get dirty, you can just wipe it off. and I also like the brighter shades in here. Obviously, you know me, I like a bright shade. That's just personal preference. Obviously, different shades in palettes have different formulas. This yellow could be really different to this pink formula. The shimmers are obviously different formulas. I feel like overall they were the same. Once again, thank you so much to ABH for sending these palettes over to me. I've had them for a while now, obviously. My last video was the Alyssa palette review, and obviously have done a Riviera palette review. You guys probably saw those. They have done quite well on my channel, so thank you so much for that. If you guys want any other videos like this, like comparing palettes to see what the difference is, I will do those. Let me know. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give it a big thumbs up if you did, and subscribe if you are new. My Instagram is Alice King Makeup if you want to go follow me over there. If you want to like suggest videos, see my makeup looks up close. I do lots of different types over there. I don't always film them, so you might want to see some different looks over there if you want some inspiration. And I'll see you so. I think that's all I have to say. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're having a lovely day wherever you are in the world, and I'll see you very soon with another video. Bye!